Hello and welcome to today's class. Here we have 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of a. What is the value of a here? This is simple exponential equation that you can solve at a glance. But how do you approach this systematically? Whenever you are given an equation of this kind, this is how you approach them. Now, you discover that this and this and this are the same. So since they are the same, we can add all of them together. So if you add this together, this is going to give you 3, okay, times your 2 to the power of a equal to our 192. All right, so with this, mind you, this is your multiplication sign, right? So we divide through by 3, we divide this side by 3 also. So this and this leaves the system. The 3 here, we have 1 here. 3 into 18 will give us our 6. Remember 1, bring the 1 here to give us 12. So 3 to 12 gives us 4. So we have 64 on this side. So our equation gives us our 2 to the power of a equal to 64. This is simple, easy. Now, if you check out here, you'll discover that 64 can be expressed in base 2. How? 2 raised to the power of 6. That will give us 64. And so rewriting the right-hand side of the equation, this is going to give us 2 to the power of a. This is equal to our 2 to the power of 6. So the base numbers are the same and they are greater than 1. And so what happened? We can equate the exponent. So equating the exponent means that a is equal to 6. This is your answer. Simple and short.